Hello everybody, this special video is for Yuri Zuzi. He asked for this song on Klazapi. Okay, ready? Well, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride until I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride until I can't no more. I got the horses in the back, horse tack is attached, hat is matted black, got the boots that's black to match. Ride it on my horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I'm into the valley, you ain't get up off that porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on my tractor, lean all in my bladder, cheating on my baby, you can go and ask her. My life is a movie, bull riding in. Grab a nice Gucci, Wrangler on my booty. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride until I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride until I can't no more. Okay, I hope you like that. Okay, bye-bye. That was Old Town Road, especially for you, Yuri. He asked on Class App. If you have a song that you would like me to try, just tell me on Class App, and like I said, I will try. I can't promise I can do it, but I will try. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.